Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can post your local time on Discord server and then make everyone see their local time instead of yours. So if you are in a server, on a Discord server where there are a bunch of different people where they live in different time zones, you can use this simple code in order to make everyone see their corresponding time instead of just, plain text and then make them figure out what will be the time in their time zone. So let's get right into it. And in order to make this code, we will use this website. I will post the website link in the description. It is sesh.foia/timestamp. And over here you can decide, you can pick the date and the time. So over here you have this calendar, you can click on it, you can select the time, the date, and over here you can select the time. And of course you can, I believe, manually also adjust the time if you want to. That's completely fine. Below that you have different time formats which you can choose from, and depending how you want it, you can simply copy the format. So over here I can click this icon, let's say, and then I will copy this code over here. And after that, let's go back to Discord. And then all you need to do is simply paste this code, and of course if you want to type anything after that text, that's completely fine, and then you can send the message. And then if anyone sees this message, of course you will see your time, your local time. However, if someone lives in a different time zone, they will see their corresponding time that will be in their time zone. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.